Hussein is the son of great Haider. His martyrdom in Karbala. You and I could hardly think that who and what is Hussein, as poet tells. शबीरत जो रतबो जाने ता खुदा जाने शबीरत जो रतबो जाने ता खुदा जाने शबीरत जो रतबो जाने ता खुदा जाने किया नाज कया हो दे किया नाज कया हो दे Either Lord or Prophet's daughter Zahra knows thy dignity, Hussein. Allah ki ibadat jo sardar nazar aaye sajde mein Muhammad ata aswar nazar aaye हाल कजरा ना जाने हाल कजरा ना जाने या तुझे अदा जाने He being what climbing on the back of Muhammad during prayer. He being looked the leader of worshipper. Either Lord or he yourself know. खामोश तसामिद बोले तना तुझा कोई नहीं सकता तू हुसैन हुआ नेज़े दिलावत जी नेज़े दिलावत जी तू ही करण सखा जाने He the only Hussein no can be. Ye know to be generous by reciting holy book on the lands, either speaking or silent, ye the holy book. Seene te karan maatum mu'min ji alamat kiya ala ibadat kiya to samawat mahshar ji ghadi jaane mahshar ji ghadi jaane aye tujhe aza jaane It's a great prayer to love ye. The believer's symbol is to mourn either the crack of doom or thy sorrow knows. शबीर के सजदे पे नाशाद नूरोई जंजीरत में शिमर जालम जो पहजो खंजर धोई इहो कर बला जाने इहो कर बला जाने या वक्त कसा जाने Nashad moved to tears seeing but thy prayer to whom's blood shimmer diamond guard his night wait either Karbala or last moment knows किया नाज कया हो दई किया नाज कया हो दई ज़हरा जिरदा जाने Either Lord or Zahra knows thy dignity, Hussein. He is the Hussein who irrigated the land of Karbala with his own blood, together with his sons, brothers, friends, guests, disciples, and saved the basic principles of Islam. Thousands of salutations towards Imam Hussein, the great son of Haider. Hussein, Hussein, Hussein. जाने तब खुदा जाने शबीरत जो